Saddlemen's FTB motorcycle luggage line features a bold yet sporty look with an array of vital features bundled with superb construction and class-leading value. Today we'll be showcasing two of these rugged Saddlemen bags. The FTB3600 Sports Sissy Bar combo bag comes included with a rigid top bag for extra storage that clips on and off in seconds. The main cargo compartment flap opens fully with solid tether sides for easy loading. Internal mesh storage compartments secure important cargo while keeping it visible. Mid-size side compartments hold plenty of extra cargo and double as beverage holders. For easy toting, added backpack straps and a shoulder strap system is included. Multiple mounting rings around the bag overcome unique mounting challenges. 4 fully adjustable, high-strength nylon webbing hold-down straps are supplied so you can mount the bag easily even if your rear rack does not have a sissy bar. Or mount directly to your seat using Saddlemen's optional VersaMount system. An adjustable mounting sleeve adapts to the shape and width of your bike's sissy bar. Next, we will be checking out Saddlemen's FTB3300 Sport Trunk and Rack Bag. Both bags feature the same rugged 1200 Diener saddle tough construction with matte finish accents and strong nylon meshing zipper teeth with chrome sliders equipped with large pull tabs for easy access. The semi-rigid shell maintains its shape regardless of cargo load, yet it's lightweight to reduce the impact of your motorcycle. Rugged materials and stitching holds up to the elements to give you decades of sound use. Also included with each bag is a high-vis rain cover that cinches closed with an adjustable drawstring. The FTB3300 Sport Trunk and Rack Bag's 2 large main compartments with gull wing top flaps and 270-degree perimeter zippers open wide for easy loading. 2 additional side compartments with perimeter zippers keep mid-size cargo handy. Long front and rear edge compartments with inner mesh zippered pockets allow you to segregate your belongings, yet visually find them fast. 6 outer edge mounting hoops with ultra-strong hook and loop materials mount to the bag securely to your top rack. Plus, 2 additional front-mounted straps with cinching buckles add extra mounting security by controlling forward and back movement. Saddlemen's FTB3600 and FTB3300 bags will keep your important cargo safe and dry while improving the look of your cruiser and offering Saddlemen's exclusive features and unrivaled durability. You can pick up the FTB3600 for around that $180 mark or the FTB3300 for around $130. If you want to learn more, simply call, email, or direct message us, and one of our friendly and knowledgeable product specialists will assist you in selecting the perfect Saddlemen luggage for your next ride. 800-397-7709 or sales@saddlemen.com.